Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia Miroshkina, and in today's video I'm gonna be organizing all of my color kit, including color tools and color products. All the hairstyling tools and hair products for styling and cutting tools are not gonna be included in this video because I'm just gonna be focusing on color. So if you wanna see how I organize everything, just please keep watching. As you can see guys, I have a lot of stuff, and this is just for color. Everything for highlighting, for covering gray, for changing color, it's here. So I have my permanent color, my fun colors, my scale, foils, ball, clips, open colors. I have all my peroxides, toner bottles. I have some crew gray blending for guys. I have my demi-permanent pumps. Oh my god, how do you call this? Whisk, timer. This is for balayage. My brushes, powders for bleach, and gloves. This is a stain remover, and yeah, pretty much everything I need for doing color. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for supporting, and let's organize. Okay, so this is the cabinet I will be using, and I really hope that everything will fit in there. So we'll see, we'll find out. it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. I will be leaving down below my Facebook and my Instagram. And again, thank you for subscribing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.